How to set shipping charges for a specific product in WooCommerce. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to set shipping charges for a specific product in WooCommerce. So, let's get started. First of all, open your WooCommerce dashboard. From the left side menu, go to WooCommerce, and a new menu will appear. Here, click on Settings. Once the Settings page opens, go to the top menu and click on the Shipping tab. Now the first thing we need to do is create shipping classes. To do that, click on Classes. On this page, click on Add Shipping Class, and a small pop-up will appear. Here, enter your class name, for example, Shipping Charges. You can also add a slug such as heavy packages or anything relevant. And finally, write a short description. I'm adding a demo description because it's required to create the class. Once done, click Create. After creating the class, go back to your shipping zones by clicking on it from the top left area. Now click on Add Zone to create a new one. In the first field, enter your zone name. I'll call it Shipping Charges. Next, scroll down and click on Add Shipping Method. A pop-up will appear showing three options: free shipping, flat rate, local pickup. Since we want to set a specific shipping fee, choose flat rate and click Continue. Now you're on the method settings page. You can rename this method. For tax status, choose either taxable or none. I'll select taxable. For cost, enter the amount you want to charge based on your region or currency. You can also modify the shipping class cost if needed. Once everything is set, click Create and Save button. After creating the shipping method, the next step is to assign it to a product. From the left menu, navigate to Products. Find the product you want to apply these shipping charges to and click Edit. On the product page, scroll down and open the Shipping tab inside the Product Data section. Here, you'll find the Shipping class dropdown. Select the shipping class we created earlier. When you're done, click Update on the right side to save the changes. After updating, click on Preview Changes to see how it looks on the front end. Open the product, click Add to Cart, and now you can see that the shipping charges we created are correctly applied. And that's it. This is how you can set shipping charges for a specific product in WooCommerce. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.